Yes, good day everyone. This is Forex with me live. Today I quickly want to show you an easy indicator that you can use like a super trend on your MT4 or MT5 mobile. You can also use it like an all moving average. All these indicators are actually available on the desktop version of the MT4. But in this case, I'm using it on my mobile moving average. As you can see, now I'm going to show you. Now I'm zooming out so that we can all see how the moving average works. So my green and cyan line is the longer time frame, which talks about the 75 moving average thereabout. So why is this moving average so important to me that I need to do a video on it? Well, I was just trying to, gather some new information, new ideas about, how to trade using indicator because that's my quest. Majority of the indicators present on the desktop, you know, platform is not really available on the mobile platform. So I'm actually figuring out ways we can make use of most of these, desktop indicators on the mobile platform. So this is here I am on the mobile platform. Now, this on the desktop looks like Supertrend. In a Supertrend, you get signals like this. So when a new trend is about to happen, it breaks and starts showing us levels. So now let's not waste much time because I don't want this video to be long. How do we trade this? It's very simple. When your line crosses up, you know that it's a sell trend. Now I'm using another confirmation here. This is another one of my best settings I used to trade recently, and I've shown it to as many who are interested, in getting it. But this time around, I'm just trying to do a video on this line, this white line here. So that is the point. Once you see a sign like this, you know that the trend is probably changing. Then the next thing you need to note is the yellow and the red line. Once it crosses each other, then at the next stop, take your trade. But to confirm, let's go to our CCI. CCI is a major confirmation of order for me. Now, the first thing to do is once the CCI is below your, what is it called? Minus, sorry, your 100. When it is below your 100, that means you are free to take the trade with the two confirmations I just shown you, which actually happens here. And as you can see, we rode the trend down all the way. So now your take profit. This is again when your, moving average or when the trend crosses. You can see when it crosses, that's your take profit. If you take this kind of trade, you know how many pips this worth. So based on your lot sizes anyway. Now let's check another instance. As you can see this place in a price action market, they have equal, you know, equal low here, although the market is trending on a lower time here. So this is another way you can use this indicator to spot your highs and lows. As you can see here, this is virtually the same thing because if you draw your support on this line, you know that, oh, we're in a range market. And look at the upside. This is also the place where the market actually, have the highest high and the next low. Now, Assuming it crosses, as it crosses, assuming it breaks this moving average, then I can spot or assume that the trend is changing. But now it breaks below because this is a lower, sorry, this is a lower high here, and as it breaks the lower high from here, so which also bring about another cross here. Now, for instance, then the second confirmation is that we are also below what 100, so which is a good time to sell. So as you can see, we roll the trend all the way down, roll the trend all the way down to get here. So now, what's the next available point? Now, this is another trend. Now, see, we are above, 100 moving average here, but I'll not take this trade yet because this trade is actually telling us that we should wait to either see a continuity of this trend, the continuity of this trend, or probably a pullback. And my up highest moving average that indicates whether I'm buying or selling is these two moving average. This two moving average is 150. This two moving average is 30. But if you want to know how I set them up, contact me in the Telegram channel below. So, and if you want to know how I set up this super trend indicator or all indicator, which is useful for mobile. When you see a super trend on your desktop platform, or you see an all indicator on your desktop platform, this is exactly what it interprets on the mobile trading. So I hope this helps. I hope this helps. But let me quickly give you an instance here. If you want to spot a continuity of trend, now see this. The CCI I'm using is actually 30. Now this CCI comes to 100. You know we're in a downtrend. It comes to 100 to pull back at 100. Then it starts falling. Immediately leaves 100. You can take your trade or you wait till it breaks the 30 moving average on both sides. So once you do that, that means if you are late to enter, if you enter the market here lately, you can wait till it's pull back here using your CCI to enter. Then you get your probably 2 to 1, 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio depending on your risk appetite. So that's that about that. I hope this helps. See you soon, guys. Thank you.